I think innately inside myself, I just love to compete and win and grow and push forward. And I think my personal goal right now of why I keep doing what I'm doing is to create something that no one's ever done before. I think we'll do that in several different ways, but I think creating an enterprise that, has that principles and has those ambitions deep inside it, I think will be, very beneficial to it. But that's why I'm continuing to do what I do because I'm on this mission of creating something no one's ever done before. And with Finder, I see it as a company, not as just myself, but as something that's separate to me that I want to live on for, 1,000+ years, even more.
Nice.
So it's not a quick flip, and in order to do that, you need to program in certain things like invention and innovation that'll enable it to survive and endure. Because I see the company as a phoenix where it continuously reinvents itself and gets stronger and better. I admire companies like Sony that continue to reinvent themselves, to innovate. Like that's incredible. I think they're the kind of companies that I admire and find it to be like that.
Right. And so if you had to speak to a fellow tech CEO around investing into a new territory, like you probably just did with GoBear, what kind of advice would you give them?
Start small and, build up the expertise, the understanding with a smaller investment. And then once you gain traction, consolidate your investment and go really hard at it for a long period of time. Well, that's my approach, but that's how I think of these things. Focus. To gain traction. I'm finally about to write my first book. I've almost finished it. So if anyone wants to hopefully hear more about things I have to say, then maybe there's some inspiration in there. There's stories of my journey from bootstrapping Finder and the other businesses I've run to it's about how to build a global empire.